Hello guys, my name is Tejas Ramesh Namde. Today is 21 December 2022. Today's my Viva topic is hierarchy exception handling in Java. So first is the I can telling about the hierarchy exception handling in Java. So exception handling in Java is one of the powerful mechanism handle the errors handle the error in so that the normal flow of the application can be maintained. So this is the abnormal condition. Exception handling is the mechanism handle runtime errors such as the class not found exception, IO exception, SQL exception and remote exception. So the core advantages of exception handling is the abnormal flow of the application. Next is the hierarchy of Java exception. So the Java long throwable class is the real class of the exception. Hierarchy inherit to the subclass exception and error. So throwable to exception and error. Exception is the IO exception, or error is the stack overflow exception. Exception is the SQL exception, or error is the virtual machine error. Exception is the class not class not found exception. Error is the out of memory exception. Fourth is a runtime exception. So this is the arithmetic exception, null pointer exception, number format exception, or index out of bound exception. Two types of index out of bound exception. First is the array index out of bound or string out of bounds. This is the array index out of bound or string out of bound. There are the mainly two types of the exception: check or uncheck in the exception handling in Java. So the error in the consider uncheck exception. However, according to the Oracle, so there are the types of the exception: check, uncheck, error. Check is the mandatory of the try and catch block, or next is the finally block. So this is the mandatory of the check exception. Uncheck exception is the not a mandatory try or catch blocks. This is the throws exception in the uncheck exception. Error is the multiple times 90% code write a code, or electricity is going. This is the not recovered to the programs, or this is the next is the machine problem, memory problem. This is the error exception in the Java. So thank you.